Midco Sales has this new 6-ton rollback tow truck at its dealership in Chandler, Arizona. This truck is custom-built on a Ram 5500 SLT chassis with a Cummins turbo diesel engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. Strobe lights have been installed around the perimeter of the truck, including the front grille. The Jerr-Dan rollback body includes a wheel lift, 22-foot steel deck, and a single-line winch. Aluminum toolboxes are mounted on each side, and an air compressor is installed in the passenger side. The interior has a cloth split bench seat, 8-inch infotainment system, and push-button start. Midco Sales is the Jerr-Dan dealer in Arizona. Visit us online to see our full inventory